What's your name?
Akiva.
Akiva what?
Akiva Snyder.
Now, Akiva, what gun do you go to?
Ganester.
And who's your friend in Canister?
Dina.
Yeah? Is Roe your friend?
No, we take the keyboard.
Roe takes his kippah off?
Yeah.
Does Akiva take his kippah off?
No.
No? What's on your shirt?
What's that?
What is it?
This?
Is it a basketball?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a basketball.
A basketball.
What did you make in Gan today?
Red color.
What? What? Why do we make challah?
Shabbos.
What is it?
Shabbos.
One Shabbos.
You need to make color.
Now, Akiva, do we have guests coming for Shabbos?
Yes.
Who's coming here for Shabbos?
Alana.
No, who's coming for Shabbos?
Me.
Yeah?
This is three.
A different three, right? And?
Huh? Isaac.
Natalie?
Huh?
Natalie?
Yeah, Natalie. Wait. That's what.
Now,
No, Natalie.
what do they speak in Gan? Do they speak English in Gan?
Hebrew.
They speak Hebrew in Gan now?
Yeah.
No more English?
No.
Can you say something in Hebrew?
Something on Hebrew.
Can you say Katan or Gadol?
Gadol.
And do you say, come here, look at me. Do you say Boker Tov?
Boker Tov.
And what does Boker Tov mean? What's your sister doing?
Eating a toy.
Yeah. Is she listening to you? Do you know any songs?
Yeah.
What songs do you know?
Hashem is over the walls.
Can you sing it for me?
Hashem is over the walls. Hashem is over the walls. Hashem is over the walls.
Very nice. I like it a lot. Do you know any other songs?
Yeah.
What songs do you know?
That's me. Make me smile.
Oh, it makes me smile too. Can you sing it for me? Very good. I like that a lot. You sing very nicely. Okay, say, Good Shabbos, everybody.
Good Shabbos, everybody.
Say, I love you.